Here's our random orbital sander from Bosch. So here is the variable speed adjuster. Here's the switch. So on and off. And then this is the chamber where the dust goes on. You can remove this by simply turning it left and then pull. It has a rubber o-ring here. That's the tube. This is the chamber where the dust goes. And there's a filter inside, white filter. You can open it and clean it by pulling this off upwards. There you go. It has a white filament here for filter. So you can clean it by taking this block top off like that. And let's put it back on. You hear it click. There you go. So you just have to put it back. There you go. That's our random orbital sander from Bosch.